Now, provision for taxation, the amount given in the balance sheet is 3 lakhs, but as per the adjustments, the amount has been increased to 4 lakhs. So the difference of 1 lakh has to be taken in cancelling the losses. So 1 lakh we have taken here. Now your narration will be being the tax return of assets reduced and provision of tax increased. Now next you are going to prepare reconstructed balance sheet or a new balance sheet as per the new adjustments. So as per the new adjustments, the balance sheet will be like this. That is equity and liabilities. Under that they have given shareholders fund. Under shareholders fund, take share capital, and share capital, in that you are going to take the adjustments with regard to preference shares. There is 13% cumulative preference shares of rupees 75 each. You are going to take 75,000. This is given in the new adjustments. And next you are going to take equity share capital. So equity share capital again given in the adjustments, the amount given in the adjustments. So equity share capital as per the first entry, it is 3,50,000, and as per the fourth entry, the amount for equity shares is 5 lakhs. So now your total equity share capital will be 8,50,000. Now next, reserves and surplus you are going to take, but here there are no reserves and surplus. Next you are going to take non-current liabilities, but there is no non-current liabilities. Next they have given secured loans. Under secured loans you are going to take debentures. So from 3 lakh minus 25,000, you are getting 2,75,000. So take 2,75,000 for debentures. Then next you are going to take unsecured loans, but that is also not there. Next you are going to take current liabilities. From current liabilities you are going to take creditors. Creditors given in the balance sheet is 39 lakhs. From that minus 17,50,000, that is the amount foregone. So you are getting a balancing figure of 2,15,000. So that has to be taken in the balance sheet. Next you are going to take provision for taxes. It is again a new amount given in the adjustments. You are going to take 4 lakhs. So when you take the balance sheet total, it is 37 lakhs. Now next they have given assets. So under assets you are going to take non-current assets or fixed assets. So fixed assets they have given directly in the question, that is 15 lakhs minus 5 lakhs. You are going to get 10 lakhs. Next you are going to take current assets. The amount of current assets given in the balance sheet is 35 lakhs minus 8 lakhs taken from the adjustments in capital reduction account. So your balancing figure will be 27 lakhs, which has to be taken in the balance sheet. So your balance sheet total assets will be 37 lakhs.